तो दोस्तों स्वागत है सभी लोगों का फिर से हमारे YouTube चैनल पर। और आज हम लेक्चर नंबर 2 या पार्ट 2 कर रहे हैं। हम लोग रेलवेज़ के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री के हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, जो रेलवेज़ के तमाम एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए बेनिफिशियल है। रेलवे एनटीपीसी के स्पेशल बैच ये लॉन्च किया गया था, जिसके अंदर हम फ्री में लोगों को अवेलेबल करा रहे हैं। सारे स्टूडेंट्स जो लोग फर्स्ट टाइम ज्वाइन किए हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा और शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ। मैं प्रोफेसर रवि रंजन सर सभी लोगों का स्वागत करता हूँ। तो अभी चैनल को ज्वाइन कर लीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल का आइकन दबा लीजिए। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आगे का क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन 100 से लेकर 200 तक आज करेंगे। वेयर डिड गौतम बुद्ध अटेन एनलाइटमेंट और एजुकेशन? तो बौद्ध गया। विच चाइनीज स्कॉलर लिव्ड इन विजयवाड़ा टू स्टडी बुद्धिस्ट टेक्स्ट? So that is Zhuan Zheng. In which Indian state is Bodh Gaya located? Bihar. Gautam Buddha used the language of the common people in his teachings. Which language he used? He used Pali language. In the Jatak Tales, a description of the birth and life of Lord Buddha is found. The rise of Jainism and Buddhism saw religious unrest in India in the 6th century BC, before Christ. Right? Jainism, Buddhism were found in 6th century. What is the name of the mother of Gautam Buddha? Maya. Maya Devi, it is called as. The rules of ethics given in Buddhism are known as Das and Panchsil Siddhant. That is Ashtangik Marg and Panchsil Siddhant. Dash Vastu art mainly consists of Chaitya, Vihar, Stupa and Stambha. So Buddha Vastu art consists of Chaitya, Vihar, Stupa and Stambha. Buddhist pilgrimage Tooth Temple is located in Sri Lanka. So Tooth Temple is located in Sri Lanka. Where is Borobudur Buddhist temple located? It is in Indonesia. So Borobudur Buddhist temple is located in Indonesia. Tooth temple is in Sri Lanka. I hope you remember that. Where do we believe that Lord Buddha gave his first sermon? Where give the name of the memorial and which is also called seat of Holy Buddha? Dhamik Stupa, that is in Sarnath. Which one of the following is a collection of teachings of Buddha? Tripitaka. So Tripitaka denotes teachings of Buddha. Now we will discuss about Zoroastrian or Judaism. A religion of India, Zoroastrianism is mainly found in which state? So Zoroastrianism you can find in Maharashtra. Jed is associated with Zend Avesta, and that is Zoroastrianism. Which religion do the Jews follow? Judaism. So Jews follow Judaism. Which of the following is related to Judaism? Torah. So Torah is related to Judaism. Which river did Alexander first cross to invade India in 326 BC? You have to put your answers in the comment section. Right, I have put these questions for you. Which river did Alexander first cross to invade India in 326 BC? Now we will discuss Mauryan Empire. Which river did Alexander first cross to invade in 326 BC? That is Indus River. I asked few seconds before 326, that is Indus, right? So next question. Asoka gave arguably the most famous ruler of Indian early India. Conquered Kalinga. Kalinga is in Odisha. He was the grandson of Chandragupta Maurya. So grandson of Chandragupta Maurya was Asoka. So who was the son of Chandragupta Maurya? Bindusara, and son of Bindusara was Asoka. Next, Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of Maurya dynasty. Yes. Which of the following statement about his rule in Indian history is incorrect? Bairam Khan was his bestly mentor and guide. Wrong. Chanakya, that is Kautilya, right? Who is also called as Kautilya. Chanakya was the mentor and guide of Chandragupta Maurya. And all the statements, rest of the statement, Chandragupta Maurya met Alexander and joined his army so that he could learn the combat skills of Macedonians. Chandragupta Maurya is credited with establishing the first all India empire. The archaeological evidence of the empire shows the existence of several towns and cities, with the most prominent capital is Patliputra. The historic Grand Trunk Road was built by several rulers. What was it called during the reign of Maurya dynasty? It was called Uttarapat. Asoka the Great belonged to the Maurya dynasty. Yes, he was the grandson of Chandragupta Maurya, so he belongs to Maurya dynasty. The lethal war with Kalinga transformed the vengeful emperor Asoka to a stable and peaceful emperor, and he became dash of the follower Buddhism. So you must ensure that Asoka followed Buddhism. This was the question which is asked in 2025 this year, RLV NTPC exam 2025. So Asoka adopted Buddhism. The most important event of Asoka's reign was the conquest of Kalinga, that is in Odisha, the modern era Odisha, which proved to be an important change in his life. Kalinga War. Asoka adopted Buddhist teachings after the War of Kalinga. The famous Kalinga War sent Emperor Asoka to leave the war and imprisoned him to adopt Buddhism. When this war was fought in Odisha, that is in 261 BC. इसको भूलना नहीं, 261 बिफोर क्राइस्ट में उड़ीसा में कलिंगा वार हुआ था. अशोका ने बुद्धिज्म को अपना लिया था. Who was the teacher of Chandragupta Maurya? I said Chanakya, that is Vishnugupta. Which of the following is written by Megasthenes? Megasthenes wrote Indica. Megasthenes was one of the earliest explorers to come to India. He was related to which country? So Megasthenes came from Greece. Who mentioned Agastya's Adhyaksh? It's not Agast. Who mentioned Adhyaksh as the superintendent of different departments in the Mauryan administration? So Adhyaksh concept was given by Kautilya, that is Vishnugupta, or it is also called as what? Chanakya. Kautilya's Arthashastra gave us information about Maurya administration. Which Asokan rock edict mentions of Asoka's triumph over Kalinga? 13th. The earliest deciphered epigraphy of Asoka's inscription in India was written in which script? Brahmi script. So Asoka's inscription in India was written in Brahmi script. ये एग्जाम में इंपॉर्टेंट है. Dash James Prinsep, an archaeologist, philosophist, philologist, and official of the East India Company, deciphered Asokan edicts, which were in the Brahmi script in the year 1837। 1837 में जेम्स प्रिंसेप ने क्या किया था, उसको पहचान लिया था कि क्या लिखा हुआ है उसके अंदर ब्राह्मी स्क्रिप्ट में। डैश डेसिफर्ड ब्राह्मी एंड खारोस्ती स्क्रिप्ट that were used for earlier inscriptions. Who deciphered? So James Prinsep. Emperor Ashoka sent the apostles to remote places to propagate the ideas of Buddhism so that the people could inspire their lives through the teachings of Lord Buddha. Their evangelists also included his son and daughter, and that was Mahendra and Sangam Mitra. So Mahendra and Sangam Mitra was sent by Ashoka to spread the ideas of Buddhism, and Ashoka also included his son and daughter for the same work, to expand the ideas of, propagate the ideas of Buddhism. Mahendra and Sangamitra. Which of the following king was the father of Sangamitra and Mahendravarman? Yes, Ashoka, his son and daughter who propagated the idea of Buddhism. Dash developed Dharma Vijay, the policy of victory by righteousness. I hope you understand Ashoka. Right? So you have to put your answers in the comment section. धर्म विजय किसने डेवलप किया था? सही तरीके से विजय हासिल करनी चाहिए। चंद्रगुप्त सन Dash was the second ruler to sit on the throne of Mauryan Empire. तो बिंबिसारा। चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य के बेटे का नाम क्या था? बिंबिसारा। उनके बेटे का नाम क्या था? अशोका था। नेक्स्ट, Emperor Ashoka was the son of चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य was the son। चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य का सन कौन था? बिंदुसारा था। और बिंदुसारा का सन कौन था? अशोका। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज Emperor Ashoka was the son of Bindusara who belonged to Maurya dynasty. The great Emperor Ashoka belonged to which dynasty? Maurya dynasty. Whose successor was Emperor Ashoka? तो अशोका से पहले कौन थे? उनके पिताजी थे। कौन थे? बिंदुसार। Emperor Ashoka engraved the order on stone pillars and stone planks dash and established them on the principal places of his kingdom so that the people could act accordingly. 14. How many? 14 stone planks. Dash was the capital of Mauryan Empire. So Patliputra was the capital of Mauryan Empire. Patliputra is the another name of Patna, which is in Bihar as of now. Emperor Ashoka in the 12th year of his reign appointed a special officer who surveyed the inland and maintained land records. These officers were called Rajuk. So maintaining land and maintaining the survey of the land, the officers were called Razuk. The story of which king is the subject of drama Mudra Rakshas? So Mudra Rakshas is related to Chandragupta Maurya. Which dynasty ended the Maurya dynasty? Sunga dynasty. Last emperor of Maurya dynasty was Brihadrath, and Sunga defeated Brihadrath and Sunga dynasty came into power. Next we'll discuss about post-Mauryan period. Which statement from the given option is not correct? Charak was the personal physician of Gautam Buddha. This is wrong statement. Rest all the statements were correct. Buddhist scriptures were written in Pali, yes. The birth of Gautam Buddha is in Nepal, yes. Upagupta influenced Ashoka to embrace Buddhism, बिल्कुल correct है. Banvat was the court poet of which king? So Banvat belongs to Harshvardhan. कनिष्क was related to which dynasty? अभी ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आया था, अभी 2025 के एनटीपीसी के एग्जाम में. कुषाण. So Kanishk belong to Kushan dynasty. K for Kunisk, K for Kushan. The Saka era was started in 78 AD. The most famous king of the Kushan kings was Kanishk, who was the third ruler in the Kushan dynasty. In the beginning of the Dash century, the Kushans established their authority over the northwest border of India. So, 1st century BC, Kushan established northwest border. The Hathi Gufa inscription from Udaygiri in Odisha was written by which king of Kalinga? Kharavel. Gupta and post-Gupta period. Name the person who had a major influence in the field of algebra in India. You know that mathematician, great mathematician is Aryabhatta. Who was the court poet of King Harshvardhan? So Banvat was the court poet of Harshvardhan. So Banvat is related to Harshvardhan. So Banvat, got it? Which of the following is one of the 9 gems of Chandragupta II? So Varaha Mihir जो है, he was the 9 gems of Chandragupta II. During whose reign Chinese traveler Huan Xiang came to India? So Huan Xiang came to India during Harshvardhan. Who is called as Napoleon of India? Samudragupta. Who among the following during the reign of Harshvardhan came to India? Huan Xiang. Next, I just repeat. In whose reign did the famous Chinese traveler Huan Xiang came to India? Harshvardhan. Dash was a Chinese Buddhist monk who studied Buddhist scriptures in Nalanda and is famous for his 17-year-long journey to India from 627 AD to 648 AD. That is Huan Xiang that came to India. Which Chinese traveler came to Nalanda and lived both as a student and teacher? Huan Xiang. Name the daughter of one of the most important rulers in the early Indian history, Chandragupta II. Prabhavati Gupta. Vikramaditya is another name of which famous Gupta ruler? Chandragupta II. Vikramaditya. Who is the author of the Panchtantra collection? Vishnu Sharma. Panchtantra collection of fables, Vishnu Gupta. विष्णु शर्मा तो आपका डिफरेंट है, यहाँ पे विष्णु गुप्ता होगा, विष्णु गुप्त. Under which dynasty the rulers wrote their achievements in Prasasti? Gupta dynasty. So which dynasty the rulers wrote their achievement? Prasasti. So Prasasti was written in Gupta dynasty. Which of the following kings of Gupta empire was also a good veena player? So good veena player was Samudragupta. Which period has been described golden age of Indian history? Gupta period is called as golden period of Indian history. Nalanda University is widely recognized as one of the ancient world's greatest universities and an important Buddhist center of academic excellence. Which Indian ruler founded it? So Nalanda University was established by, founded by Kumargupta first. भुक्ति भोग व्यास विट्ठी मंडल. Bhukti Bhog Vyas Pithi Mandal are the administrative divisions in the Gupta period. Which era is called the golden age of ancient India? Gupta Empire is called as golden age of, that is 4th century. Who ascended the Gupta throne after Chandragupta? So after Chandragupta, Samudragupta came into power. Harshvardhan court poet was Banbhat. After Harsha's death around the 17th century era of India came to dominion as the band, which came Rajput. So हर्षवर्धन के डेथ के बाद कौन आया था? राजपूत 7th century में. Chandragupta II extended the Gupta Empire to Gujarat in the year 390 AD. The Chinese traveler Yi Xing had learned Sanskrit for 3 years in Tamralipti. The Chinese traveler Yi Xing had learned Sanskrit for 3 years in Tamralipti. After the death of Harshvardhan, the kings of Pratihar, Pal and Rashtrakuta dynasty fought with each other to gain suzerainty over Kannauj. At the beginning of the 4th century, the Guptas established a small empire in Magad. Which of the following cities was the capital of Gupta dynasty? Patliputra. Who was the actual founder of Gupta Empire? Right, who was the actual founder of the Gupta Empire? Srigupta. Which Chinese traveler visited India during Gupta period? Fazain. तो गुप्ता पीरियड में याद रखेंगे फाजाइन है. Now we'll discuss about South Indian dynasties Chola, Chalukya, Pallava and Sangama. Kanchi was the capital of the Chalukyas. What was the capital of Hoysal's kingdom? Hoysal's kingdom was Dwarasamudra. From the given options, which dynasty developed shipping ventures in Southeast Asia? The Chola dynasty. Which native Indian dynasty issued their own coins with portraits of their rulers on them? Satvahana dynasty. According to Chola rock edicts, the land grants made to Gurukuls was known as Salabhog. The Virupaksha temple at Hampi, Karnataka is dedicated to, Lord Shiva. King Simha Vishnu belonged to Pallava dynasty. The rulers Pulkesin first and Pulkesin second, ये एग्जाम में अभी आया था 2025 के, were the related to which of the following dynasty? Chalukya dynasty. Pulkesin second was most illustrious ruler of which dynasty? Chanukya dynasty. Chalukya dynasty. Dash become very powerful in the 7th and 8th centuries, and Kanchipuram were their capital. Pallavas became powerful in 7th and 8th centuries, and Kanchipuram was the capital of Pallavas. Dash was the capital of Pandya dynasty. Madurai was the capital of Pandya dynasty. Dash ruled the region around Madurai and attained supremacy in the 13th century. Pandya. What is the main occupation of merchants known as Srauf, Seth, Sahukar, Mahajan and Sethi since ancient times? That is banking. Who among the following Chola kings is considered the greatest? So Chola king the greatest was Karikal. Karikal was greatest. Which king of the Pallava dynasty also wrote Sanskrit plays? Mahendra Varman. Which Chalukya king defeated King Harsha of Kannauj? Pulkeson II. Who was the last ruler of the Chola dynasty? Rajendra Chola's third was the last ruler of Chola dynasty. ठीक है, so this is the end of the session, but we will continue till this topic is completed. Hardly 3-4 questions left. Which Chola king win the Persian conquest of this island of Maldives? Raja Raj. Which kingdoms were ruled by the early Chera dynasty? Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Which Indian king used naval power to conquer parts of East Asia? Rajendra Chola. So this is the end of the lecture today. So those who are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends. So we'll meet in the next video with borderline dynasties in the next lecture. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thank you.